Let's say that you're a clarinet player. Woodwind uses reed, and reeds, well, they're not the same as brass instruments. So if you were trying to make a mouthpiece for something that used a reed, well, you can't just make it completely round. You need to have a flat side. Let's do that same thing in Shapr. I'm going to create the cylinder first. Select that, extrude it. And that's a very big musical instrument. That's over 1 meter now. Okay, and I'm then going to slice this off. For this, I'm going to draw my line there and turn that into a triangle. And with this, I'm actually going to take that and push it all the way through. You see? So as soon as you make it collide, it almost knows, oh, you're trying to do that. Okay, and now I can shell this. Let's shell it. Right, shell that. And now it's taken into account that part, so it's not hollow. So you can actually do things. I mean, this is nothing like a reed itself, but you can see how to get that shape. Now there is one thing to note, is that that is not hollow. And what you can do, you just click that, and of course push it down through, and that just erases it.